It's about 7 o'clock. We're outside our house right now, waiting on the boys and pick us up, I think. I guess I should have confirmed that. We're gonna try and do Mount Raymond and Gobblers Knob today. Now, if you remember, we did try and do Gobblers Knob with Riley. Unfortunately, I've been out of the game for a little more than 2 months, being a missionary. I'm not so confident in my abilities right now, so we're gonna go on something kind of tame, and hopefully I can get my hiking legs back.
You should back in. Some people's kids. Wait, no, John, I'm serious.
We finally got here. It took a while because we hit the morning rush traffic. I'm a little disappointed. I don't see a bathroom. That's okay. The idea was to be gone for a lot longer. I got reassigned to a different mission here in Utah. So after being in Colombia, I'm back, and unfortunately in those 2 months I gained 20 pounds. The goal here is just to keep up and keep moving. Hopefully I can make it all the way, because this is a bit of a hike to knock some rust off, and I think kind of literally in this case. We've been just kind of working our way up the side of the mountain here. It's not ideal, but the other way it's kind of snowed up and not very fun to be in either. Which reminds me of a little bit of our Peel Took excursion, where we found ourselves on the side of the mountain and sliding. Man, it feels good to be climbing mountains. And the bigger rocks
These rocks are like angry birds. Some of them have the bomb bird explode. Some of them are the red bird and just fall pretty quick. I guess that'd be the yellow bird. Some of them are the blue bird, and they just send like 10 pieces of rocks coming down after us. That's an analogy for you.
Top of Gobblers Knob once again. I think this one's way better than when I did it with Riley. It was just too hot up here, and the view's just cooler. Even though there's less green and more brown, especially down there. It's just kind of nice. Salt Lake kind of looks like the Salt Lake, and if you look way out there, you can see Deseret, Flat Top, and so.
have made it to the top of Mount Raymond with our special friend, Raymond!
Finally!
Great views all around. Couldn't ask for better weather. And yeah. Give him a wave, John.
When I was 4 years old, I was reading one of my dad's hiking books. One of the very first hikes mentioned was Mount Raymond. It was a book on Utah hiking. And now as a 4-year-old, I was very taken aback that some mountain, something as lame as a mountain, would have my name. So I made it a goal of mine that one day I would hike Mount Raymond. And it's taken me 16 years. And a lot of things have happened during that time, but finally made it to the top of Mount Raymond. So it's a pretty cool moment. I wouldn't say I've been like looking forward to the summit for 16 years, but I will say that now that I'm here, I feel a circle is closed. So what a great summit. This is better than I had expected, and that's always a good thing. We're gonna head off here and go home. I don't know. I'm kind of rusty at this, but let's zoom.
Let's zoom.
Running feels good. We just ran into two mooses, just up the trail. I have two things to say. First off, we're trying to be quiet and get past them. The second thing is, if any of you want to comment down below and tell me that mooses isn't correct, I'm gonna remove the comment. It was a good hike. Finished with like 8.5 miles, 4,200 feet of climbing. Pretty good day.
5 hours. A little under 5 hours. Which is a little slow, but
yeah. I'm happy with that. I wouldn't do Gobblers again. Sorry, I have a dry answer. But Raymond is so underrated and a really good name. Honestly, it might be the best name of any mountain in the world. Maybe. So, I think we're gonna go to Costco and get some Costco food, which is not to say that's a bad thing. Costco food's great. So let's zoom. We were climbing up the chute. We almost got hit by a rock, but Tristan called rock and we were able to avoid it. Gideon's got a story of something kind of like that where someone didn't call rock.
How many trees do you think I could eat?
Okay. What did you say?
If we find a deer. Don't put that in the video. What